everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. We've already washed Tolani's hair and deep conditioned our hair, and we use the Sultanical Mango Deep Detangler to detangle our hair. And so I'm going to start doing this style. This style is going to be like a lemonade braid, flat twist. And to do this style, you're going to section the hair going diagonally down through our hair. I'll be using the IQ Natural Jamaican Black Castor Oil for our scalp and putting that through our scalp. And I'm using this because it helps with dryness, especially in this winter weather. For the first section of our hair, I'm creating a smaller section. Actually, it's big, big section going across. And the mousse that we're going to be using is from Mielle Organics, and we've never used this mousse before. I've never styled her hair with mousse before, and I'm a bit nervous because she's high porosity and her hair loves creams. It does better with creams, but you know, let's just give it a try. So keep watching as I style this hair, and we'll come back later and I'll tell you what I feel about using a mousse on her hair.
For the kid.
Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me. Dreams I had for years all came down on me. Trust gave in on me, lies came in on me. Friends I had for years all traded in on me. Storms raged in on me, hell came down on me. Nothing left to lose, life caved in on me. Else came in on me, love gave in on me. But in my mind, I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion. Hope fell down on me, people gave up on me. Plans I made for years all crashed down on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool, all walked out on me. Luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, lights went out on me. Change caved in on me, nothing is saving me. But in my mind, I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion.
We finished doing Tolani's flat twist, and this is what it looks like. And you can see it's really jumbo twist. And this is the back, really big twist, like how she wants it. Yeah, so for the back, I'm going to put it and hair tie over it just to hold it together like this. And as you can see in the screens that I showed you, the footage I showed you earlier, as I was doing this, our hair was tangling up. I don't know, maybe it's time to trim my hands or not, but our hair was tangling up. I want to see how long this style is going to last on her, just using mousse. One thing about mousse that I didn't like is because I love when my hairstyles are smooth looking, and for this they don't look as smooth. Like if you look at it, they don't look as smooth as I normally have my hair styles when I do my kids hairstyle. This doesn't look as neat. I don't know if it will make a good flat twist out, but for me it's not my best work ever, but this was a good experience, right? So yeah, so we used the Mielle Organics. This is the Mielle Organics. I've had this in my stash for a while, and this is how much of it we used, not so much. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and subscribe, and give us a like. Okay, thank you, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.